crazy. Look how big these are. Hey folks, what's going on out there? So if you're a regular viewer of the Faded channel, you know that my wife got me a Lost Creek fishing kayak. It's a pedal drive, and I've been using my Lincoln Navigator to kind of tow it around. But the problem with that is the link is kind of high, so it's a little difficult to get it on there, and no matter how careful I am, I tend to scratch it. So I wanted to do something different. So I went out and I got me the Malone Versa Rail. It's one of those suction cup portable, not portable, but temporary rails that you put on the top of your car. So I went ahead and did that, and I put it on my little Ford Escape. And I bought a few other accessories such as the ties and the roller. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put it together and give you a few pointers out there. So I would highly recommend, in addition to the straps that you tie the kayak down to the roof rack, you get the stabilizer, I guess, tie down that go to the front of your car, right, the hood, and to the back. So I'll tell you what, so far it's worked great. I was on the freeway going about 80 miles per hour. Didn't have any issues. I guess the one issue that that I can tell you that you will have is you'll get the vibration from the front of the stabilizing rope. It sounds pretty loud, but just turn up the stereo, right? So, but before you go 80 miles per hour, make sure you get everything out of the kayak so it doesn't fly out, okay? So check out the video. I hope you enjoy. Hit subscribe if you do, and I will see you on the next episode. So until then, stay faded. Peace. Hey folks, Big D here from the Faded channel. And yeah, I'm getting ready to go fishing here. Got my kayak here on top of my company car, right? So it didn't have these, what do you call it, right? These bars, these rails. So I went ahead and purchased some of these Malone Versa Rails, and I put it on here. And yeah, so we're all nice and secure here. So yeah. So let's take a look at how we got here, right? All right, so one thing that I will tell you is, you see these straps here, right? You got one in the front, one in the back. You know, that's cool and all, right? But going down the freeway, I don't know if that's gonna work. So I went ahead and got these tie downs, right? So run in the front here, right? And we got one in the back as well. Get it nice and tight here. You may want a towel here so it doesn't scratch. But yeah, looks pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna go down the freeway here, head out to Boyd Lake, and hopefully I get there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off, and we'll go from there. So one other piece of advice I want to give is make sure the tie down here for the front and back, make sure you have it attached first before you put the kayak on top of your car, because then you will need a ladder, right? And we don't bring ladders everywhere. All right, so I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, folks, we made it to the lake, and yeah, the kayak stayed on there. I mean, I was going down the freeway 80 miles per hour. So yeah, no issues at all. I highly recommend you get the safety straps for the front and the back. Definitely wouldn't trust just the you know, straps on the side here, these two straps. Definitely would feel safer with these straps in the front and the back. All right, I'll see you guys in a while. All right, folks, out on the water here, nice and smooth. Got my seats all configured correctly here. So let's see what kind of fish we can catch, huh? All right, we are on the lake, and yeah, just probably gonna work the inlet here and see what we can get. Hopefully some white bass are around. If we get lucky, maybe some walleyes. I'm gonna be using a lot of spoons. I'm gonna be using, you know, good old reliable the Castmaster. But yeah, let's see what happens. You know, don't got my fish finder yet. I just ordered the adapter. It's coming in on Thursday, so maybe we'll do some more fishing on Friday. All right, see you in a bit. Well, folks, we got the skunk out officially. Check this out. That is the smallest largemouth bass I think I ever caught. Must be hungry. Look at him. He tried to eat a Castmaster. That's about his size. Oh boy, that's funny. All right, stay still, buddy. Oh man, you swallowed it. All right, fish on, folks. Let's see what we got here. The whole school of them. Oh no, not another one. Come on, dude, really? Where's your mama at, man? That's funny. All right, folks, big gigantic. Oh, brother. Ah, well, folks. Not quite sure if I can get any bigger than this. Gotta be in here though. Wow, this is ridiculous. I don't think I've ever caught this many small ones in my life. Wow, it's funny though because they're in the big ass lure. Man, just give me issues, you little fish. Now that is a trophy, huh? Look at that. Trophy! Sorry. Here you go, buddy. Oh man.